Hey guys, it's me here, and today this is my first time talking in one of my videos. But anyways, today I'm going to do a review on my Lego baby pistol. If you don't believe me, it's a baby pistol. It's the size of my freaking hand. It, yeah, it works. Has a working back handle. Let me just, yeah, a working trigger. It's really cool though when you pull back. Has a working mag. Oh, come on, mag. Hold up. There it goes. Took me a while to take that out. So it feels like a real baby pistol. Sorry about the dress right there. That's my sister's prom dress. So, anyways, these are looking on the sights. I think you cannot see them, but I think you could. I forgot to show you how the mag looks like. Yeah, it looks like that. And I will probably try to do a tutorial on this gun here. If I can't, then I'm sorry for folks who wants to see the tutorial of this gun. Yeah, but it's a pretty good gun though. Yeah. And I had to show you how confusing it is on the inside to me. So it goes to one part, and here's everything coming apart. So like all of that comes apart. So this is the base of it, right? And this is the whole working part. So pretty much it's just a freaking baby gun that actually fits in your pocket. You can call it a pocket pistol, whatever. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos every Wednesday. I'll be back next week video with another Lego gun. Peace.